Hi and welcome back to Kwizie's how-to videos, and in today's episode I'm gonna teach you how you can extend and also finish your quiz. So first things first, you need to sign into your Kwizie account, and after that you go to the live page and you're gonna choose the quiz that you want to extend, for example. So you just press here on the three dots in the corner and there's gonna be this button with like a clock symbol, and you just press extend, and after that you can change like the year, like time if you want to. You can change day, and you can also change the month. And after you're done with changes, you just press save, and that's how you extend your quiz. On the other hand, if you want to finish your quiz, once again, live section, and once again, you just choose the quiz that you want to finish. You press on the same three dots in the corner over here, and you go right over here where there's gonna be written finish. You just press the button and it's gonna ask you if you are sure that you want to finish this quiz. If you're sure, you just press OK. If not, you just press cancel. And if you press OK, the quiz is finished and nobody else can take it after that. And that's it, actually. That's how you extend and also finish your quiz. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episodes. Bye!